Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to pass the GoTranscript guidelines test. So just go to GoTranscript.com. Scroll all the way to the bottom so that you can access the work link. Click on work. Scroll up again. Click on apply. Now if you already have an account, you'll just simply log in. If you don't, then we will sign up. So just use your email and put your preferable password, then sign up. If it brings you to this page, just go all the way and click on work. And then apply now again. Then we'll get to the guidelines quiz. How will you mark something that you can't hear in the audio file? Which text format is this? The transcribed text does not include speech errors, false starts, clean verbatim. Choose the correct form for full verbatim. How will you mark something that you can't quite distinguish in the audio file? If a client requests time stamping every 2 minutes, how would it look like? Can you guess the word if you're not 100% sure what was spoken? Which text format is this? The text is transcribed exactly as it sounds and includes all the addresses of the speakers. Time stamping time format must be always in bold. What is the correct answer? Choose the correct form. She walked up to him and said, what's your name? Are speaker tags required every time when speaker changes? Every time. The client requires time stamping every 2 minutes. You need to transcribe the 10 to 20 minute part of the audio. Where do you start your time stamping? Which speaker label is correct? If a client requires time stamping on speaker change, which format would that be? And then click on confirm. And there you go. You've passed the test, and now all you need to do is transcribe the audio test. Now the next video we are going to look at is how to pass this audio test. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss that particular video. Now also one other thing I will encourage you is read the GoTranscript guidelines, because everything we just went through is literally in their guidelines. Okay, every answer we just gave, the text is transcribed exactly as it sounds and includes all addresses of a speaker. I mean, you can literally see this is what we just read out there. Clean verbatim. The transcribed text does not include speech errors, false starts, filler words. So if you actually read the style guide, it's going to be quite easy for you to make it within the website, because just passing this test doesn't guarantee that you're going to survive or maintain an account with them, but understanding what it requires is the ultimate game changer for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.